Hey guys, this is my how to style a denim overall dress because I recently just thrifted this black denim dress and I'm obsessed, so I wanted to show some fall outfit ideas. The first kind of fall looks I want to go with are turtlenecks because turtlenecks are just winter cozy fall to me, and I have a bunch of them. So the first outfit is this burnt orange kind of color. It's coming off as red, but I promise it's more orange in person. This is just like a Halloween outfit to me. I paired the look with these black, they look like rain boots, but they're just little booties that I got recently as well, and I like that it's a very simple outfit. This is probably for warmer fall weather. So the next turtleneck look I wanted to do was this neutral turtleneck. It's kind of, I don't know the material, super soft. And I love the thicker look of the turtleneck. I feel like this is very more fall and winter and cozy vibes. I paired it with some sheer black tights and these slip-on shoes. This is like my Gossip Girl Blair Waldorf inspired look, and I love this for fall. The next outfit inspiration ideas I have are to wear collared shirts underneath the overall denim dress. I like the way this looks. It's very tailored and polished as well. I like the flannel because it's a little more casual. This is definitely like Halloween pumpkin patch kind of outfit. I paired it and tried to style it with these knee-high socks. Originally, I put them about mid-calf, and if you have the same colored socks and boots, it looks like a long boot, which is kind of cool. And then I moved them a little higher right below the knee and again above the knee, just to show you how it would look styled 3 different ways kind of. I highly recommend knee-high socks for the fall. They're very versatile and you can style them with pretty much any outfit or dress you have. The second collar shirt I have is definitely more for like a summery fall. It's this short sleeve yellow collared button-down shirt. I just love this pop of color. It is a little bumblebee. I can see where that's going with, but I really like it. And I paired it with these light blue socks and my Vans. I also paired it with this fanny pack. I saw outfit inspiration for this on Pinterest, and I just thought it was like a really cool, I don't know, cool girl vibe. So I tried to pull that off. Not sure if I did, but there you go. The last outfit idea options I have are to wear a chunky sweater underneath the overall dress. This kind of adds a little bit of unbalanced weight. So you have this chunky underneath sweater and then a more fitted denim dress. I think it's a cool juxtaposition. This first look is with a hoodie. I got this Lands hoodie. It's like a Instagram company. I'll link it down below. And I paired it with some Doc Martens that I have. I really do like this look a lot. I wasn't expecting to. I think the pop of color from the Doc Martens just really makes it look a little something something. The final look I have is this hot pink chunky sweater paired with some fishnet tights and again my black rain-inspired boots. I really like the pop of color that this pink gives. This is like a fun night out, I would say. I don't normally wear fishnets, but I think it adds something cool to this outfit. That is going to be it for how to style a overall dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions for videos like this, let me know. I am willing to try them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!